Hello, and this is an unboxing video for Disney Infinity single character Davy Jones. So we're going to be unboxing him in this video. I will also be opening two more power disc packs. So let's look at Davy Jones. He looks really cool. It says there Davy Jones. We've got the Pirates of the Caribbean logo. Nice picture of Davy Jones there. Disney Infinity. Got the characters on the back. Shows you a bit about how to use him on the portal and that. So yeah, let's get this guy open. Just pop him to one side. Here is the web code card with the code on it. So there's that. Move that out of the way. So let's take him out. There we go. So there he is. Very cool. Very, very detailed. Got the lobster claw there. You know, really, really cool. Detail on these figures is amazing. So there is Davy Jones. So we'll just put him to one side. And let's open up these power discs. And one thing I do want to mention, I have had a feel around at these, and I've scratched the front, and there is a rare one in here, so if you listen, let me just find the, is it this one or is it, hang on. Which one was it? I think it's, sorry, I think it's this one. Can't find it now. There. Don't know if you can hear that, but seems like we've got a rare one in that pack. So yeah, let's open them. Oh, we've got a rare one in this pack as well. A Boo, it looks like. So that's cool. And we've also got the Wreck-It Ralph one. Cool. Next pack. And we've got the Up one and the the Buzz Lightyear ride thing. So yeah, they're the power discs that we got. So I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing and opening, I guess. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.